Hey, fourth grade, and welcome back to Harry Money Day 4. Today we're going to take the skills that you've practiced in counting coins and dollars, and we're going to apply them to some word problems today. Each word problem has the same format. We're going to be talking about a picnic and the foods to bring to this picnic. Now you'll see your picnic price list with your list of foods and how much each of them cost in dollars and cents, and then you'll have a question on the side like this example question. Jimmy wants to buy an apple and a slice of watermelon from the ants. How much will they cost in all? Remember, if you want to be a beast at word problems, you have to start off as a cub, where we circle our numbers, underline our question, and box our important words. If I look at my word problem, I do have numbers, but they're all in my picnic price list. I don't have any numbers inside my word problem. But I do have a question to underline, and that is, how much will they cost in all? I'm going to box my most important words. In all gives me a clue that this is going to be an addition problem. I also know that I need to find the price of the apple and the watermelon. That's what they mean when they say in all, those two foods. If I look over at my price list, I know that an apple costs 40 cents and a slice of watermelon costs 55 cents. So I have to add those two totals together. I'm going to list the two prices of those foods. I'll start with the watermelon because it's more money. And then the apple. Notice that when I'm stacking my addition number problem, just like it's important to stack your place values and your commas, I do the same thing with my dollar and cent symbols. As long as I have those symbols lined up, then I know that my place values are lined up as well. I'll start with my ones. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. I'm going to bring down my cent symbol. 0 plus 0 is 0. Dollar brought down. So in total, in all, they cost 95 cents. I'm going to use my text to write that as a statement. The apple and watermelon cost 95 cents. Let's try another one. Sarah has 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. What one item does she have exactly enough money to buy? Remember, if I want to be a beast at word problems, I got to start off as a cub. I'm going to circle my numbers and their units. So I notice that not only does it say 3, but it says 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. What item does she have exactly enough money to buy? I'm going to box the word exactly. That tells me when I figure out how much money she has altogether, I need to find the exact amount that matches that amount of money. So let's figure out how much 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel would be. I'm going to draw 3 quarters that have 5 hairs on their head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're each worth 25 cents. I'm going to draw 2 dimes with the beautiful hairs on their head. And I'm going to draw 1 nickel that has a mohawk on its head. Now, to figure out how much money they have altogether, I'm going to count up what each hair is worth. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, exactly 100. Now, if I remember my lesson yesterday, as soon as I have 100 cents, I make $1. I can't express 100 cents using the cent symbol. Instead, I would write it as dollar symbol, 1, decimal point, 0, 0. But my question is asking, what item does she have exactly enough money to buy? If I look at my picnic price list, what item on this menu costs exactly $1? Sarah can purchase the cake for $1. dollar. When you add a response, it'll be your turn with 2 other problems. Add a response and begin.